I want to give you a quick glimpse into this Rise to the Challenge Soccer vertical template. The instant download comes with a full tutorial explaining how to insert your subjects, how to light your subjects, and change and modify all of the elements in this. To give you a quick demonstration, I'm going to open up this Insert Subjects Here folder. I'm going to shut off my sample subject. I'm going to import a new subject here. I have him already extracted. I'm going to drag and drop them into the template and then position them where he looks best. So there, I can make them a little bit bigger and fit in something like this, or I can make them a lot bigger and do something like this. It's all personal preference. All the text and colors can easily be modified. So for example, if I typed in dragons, I can easily change the color. And the name and text down here changes just as easily. Of course, all the colors down here are completely editable also. If you're a volume photographer, you don't even have to use the subject's name. You can shut that field off and just have the team name, so you can easily produce this for hundreds of people. All these elements can be moved, edited, sized, and duplicated if you want to. It can be as quick and as simple as that to modify, and there are lots of different ways that you can make this look amazing. Hope you love it.